My squirrel's having a seizure right now. Right when he started having a seizure, you can hear him. Fuck, I hate it when this happens. Okay, so there's nothing I can do. Max, right now he's in a lot of pain. A couple times I held him and he bit the shit out of me. So I couldn't hold him. But I want to put him in his bed. I didn't have my phone when he started having a seizure, so I was making him some milk. I was making his milk. And yeah, this is what's happening. He's having a full-blown seizure right now. I want to get him and hold him, you know, because he's having a bad one this time. He's having a very bad one. And I hope one of these seizures doesn't kill him one day, you know. I'm trying to get his diet, get his diet right. There he went. He just went down. And so what happens is he loses all his motor skills. I know, baby. He loses all of his motor skills. And he does this. I notice he does this whenever he starts getting active, because he'll stay in his bed all day and he won't do anything. Max, quit licking him. He won't do anything. So, yes, he's latching down on his cage, biting. Max loves my squirrels. He would never hurt them. I know my boy's, he's having a seizure right now. And, I hate this. Because there's nothing I can do about it right now, you know. Max, out of the bathroom. Yeah, there's nothing I can do about this right now. You guys stop. I want to put him in his bed, you know. All his muscles, his legs, everything. He's kind of like paralyzed, you know. And he will latch down on my, one time he latched down on my thumb. Two spots right there. But he latched down on my thumb for about a minute. And he bit my thumb. It hurt so bad. I slung him across the room. Well, it was a reaction. And he went flying. Luckily, he was okay. But this is what he's doing right now. I want to get him and put him in his bed. But his muscle spasms, like, he doesn't... He's aware, I think, of what's going on, but he can't move his muscles and stuff. See how he just fell? He's having another seizure now. Yep. This is a bad one. Because this has been for like going on 3 minutes now, this seizure. But I made him some milk, and I wanted him to have this milk. I made him a bottle. And I can't never get him to eat when he's having a seizure. I've tried, but giving him some water. I ran him under some cool water one time when he was having a seizure. Let me take this out. Hey, baby. I want to see if I can put him in his bed, maybe, and that'll help. I don't want him to bite me, because it hurts. Let me set my phone. I'm in the bathroom with you guys. Okay. Hey, baby. Let Daddy. Come here. Come here, booger. Come here. Come here. Let Daddy have arms. Come here. Ow! Gosh, damn it, he sure did. He bit the fuck out of me. That's why I don't want to pick him up. Yeah, he's having a bad seizure. Okay. He bit the shit out of my finger. I was trying to pull him out of the cage, and he had his arms wrapped around the cage, and he wouldn't fucking let go, like that right there. He's latched on to the damn... He wouldn't let go of it. I was trying to pull him out, and he fucking ran over and bit my finger. Well, I know when he's like this, you know, leave him alone. I tried to put him in his bed, you know, like he bit the shit out of my finger. You know, it's my own fault, though. I should know better. I knew better than to fucking do that. It is what it is. Alright, I'll block the cage. This sucks because I had made him a bottle, you know? Here, Boogie. I know milk is the last thing that you want right now. Alright, well. I hate leaving my baby like this, you know? See, look, he just fell down. But yeah, he's having a bad seizure. Yeah, see, I know what's going on because I know my squirrel. A normal person would just say, oh, he's a squirrel, but no. He's just sitting there, but he's having a seizure. Yeah, this is a bad one. It's what, 8 minutes now? See how he just fell down? 8 minutes now? He just fell down again. He's really struggling. And then you notice his breathing will get real heavy. His breathing gets very, very heavy. And then he'll get real, real tired. You know, when I can finally... There, he's in the corner here. I want to put him in his bed. But, I don't want him to bite me again. Are you alright, baby? I'm just telling him it's okay. I'm bleeding like a motherfucker. Look at my hand. He bit the shit out of me. Right there on my finger. You bit Daddy's. Look at me. You bit me, babes. Jumper T, you want me to put you in your bed, baby? Come on. Come on, baby. Daddy will put you in your bed. Come on, yeah, see his little heart's beating. His little heart's just a beating. Get in your bed, baby. Come on. He can barely move. Like his little body's all locked up. See, I'm setting him up here now. He can't even move. I got you, babe. See how he's paralyzed? Alright, I got him in his bed now. But his whole body is paralyzed right now. He can't move or nothing. You can hear my voice is real shaky. I'm so scared for my squirrel. I can feel him now, and I know he's really having a hard time. See, his whole body is limp. Look at that. I hope he doesn't die. Oh, my God. Stay with me, Bubby. See, his eyes is fading in and out. Look here. Stay with me, Bubby. What is he doing? See his eyes? He's trying to close his eyes on me. Like he's gonna fucking die or something. And he's acting weird. His fucking whole body's limp. Look at him. And his little nail grabbed onto the... He likes to hang his head off of this little bed like this. Sometimes when he'll lay up here, you know. So it's not unusual for him to do this, but I can tell you right now, he doesn't have enough strength to hold his own head up. So I'm going to roll him over like this. Look, see how I rolled him over? And he wants to hang back down. No, baby. I think his muscle spasms causing him to act really weird. Do you see how heavy he's breathing and stuff? He's liable to fall off the bed. I need to get him back up here. Good. I don't want him to bite me, though. You know? Get back up there, babe. His little hand is got... He's lifted up his head, so that's a good sign. He likes to crawl on his little bottom thing here. That's where he likes it the most. So, he's in there now. He just kind of fell in there. You can see his arms are limp and everything. Like he's... Oh, my goodness. He's definitely having a bad seizure. I gotta fix his clip on his bed. It's falling down. Okay. Alright, well, so he's looking at me now with that one little eye, and he sees me. I'm petting it. I'm just letting him know. See how he's... You can see his one little eye. I'm rubbing his head, and he's just limp. You know? But he knows I'm there. When I quit touching him, he'll open his eye. See, he barely opens his little eye. But I'm going to touch his head, and you can see... He didn't even open his eye that time. But he's moving around, so he's okay. He's just, see how heavy he's breathing? He's breathing so heavy. You know, in his eye, you can see how it... Now he's opening his eyes a little bit more. But you can see, looking at his eyes and how heavy he's breathing. I don't know why it's blurry like this, but... Yep, you can see how heavy he's breathing. I'm zooming in on the camera. And his eyes open. He's opening his eyes, but he's breathing really heavy. Hey, baby. I'm petting his little head, you know, and letting him know it's okay. Letting him know I'm here, and he doesn't seem to bother him. Usually this bothers him when I do this. And he'll move around, you know. But, it's as if he's playing dead right now. He's blinking his eyes, so I know he's okay, but... Alright, well, so this is what happens when a squirrel has a seizure. I almost got the very beginning of it. I didn't have, a phone with me whenever he started having the seizure, so I had to run in the living room, and that took about a minute for me to find my phone. So he had already been having a seizure for a full minute before I got my phone. So it's been 16 minutes. And he's breathing heavy, real heavy. But his seizure has slowed way down, and he's going to be okay now. He's exhausted. You can see he just stretched out. But the worst part's over with, I think, maybe. You okay, baby? Alright, well, I hope you guys learned something from this, and I hope I was able to help someone with this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I don't have many subscribers, don't have many followers. It means a lot to me when you guys click that button. Thanks a lot, and I'll be making some more videos soon. Talk to you guys later, and happy Thanksgiving. Say bye, everybody. Doesn't feel very good. Bye, y'all.